as Santa Claus. I bring joy and cheer to people all around the world on Christmas Eve. But I also like to keep up with the latest developments in the world of technology, and one topic that has been getting a lot of attention recently is cryptocurrency. Cryptocurrency is a digital asset that uses cryptography for security and is decentralized, meaning it is not controlled by any government or financial institution. It relies on a decentralized network of computers, known as a blockchain, to verify and record transactions. There are many different cryptocurrencies, but the most well-known is Bitcoin. Bitcoins can be bought and sold on cryptocurrency exchanges and used to purchase goods and services online. Some merchants even accept Bitcoin as a form of payment. Cryptocurrency has the potential to revolutionize the way we think about money and financial transactions, but it is also a relatively new and complex technology that can be difficult to understand. It is important to do your own research and understand the risks before investing in cryptocurrency. I hope this helps give you a better understanding of cryptocurrency. Merry Christmas!